From fire to freezer, elevate your kitchen game with professional-grade tools built for speed, power, and precision. When you're serious about flavor and efficiency, your tools make all the difference. Meet the power players that take your cooking from good to unforgettable. First up, the heavy-duty 120,000 BTU commercial stainless steel 4-burner propane deep fryer. With incredible heat power and stainless steel reliability, it delivers consistent, restaurant-quality fried favorites, batch after batch. Keep your ingredients fresh and ready with the 27-inch commercial upright reach-in freezer. Spacious, efficient, and built tough, so your goods stay perfectly chilled until the moment they're needed. Next up, 112,000 BTU commercial 4-burner gas stove hot plate. The workhorse for sautéing, simmering, searing, and sauces. Power and precision give you the control you need for every dish. And when it's time to take the party outside, fire up the large outdoor BBQ 42K BTU stainless steel propane grill. 4 burners deliver even heat. Perfect for juicy steaks, burgers, and sizzling BBQ favorites. Whether you're feeding a crowd, running a food business, or hosting unforgettable gatherings, these pro-level kitchen heroes work together to make every meal better, faster, and more delicious. Upgrade to professional-grade tools that bring out your best in every dish. Shop now and enjoy powerful performance built to last. Have questions? Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. PST. Visit Saksby.com and contact us at 1-8447-175044 and email us at hello@saksby.com.